we have this first video we can copy and paste. So we need two videos. We need to duplicate this video. We can also hold Option and drag. When you hold Option and drag, you can create another copy, or you can also copy and then you press Command V and paste. We need to look first at the end. This is how it ends. Right? So what we can do is I'm just going to move the video a bit on top of the other video, and around here I'll move the play right over here. Now I'm going to go to video in basic, and here we have very important effect, which is blend and expand. This used to be different on CapCut, and now here we have opacity. Okay, we can increase or decrease the opacity, and we can see what's going to happen. It's going to start like that, and then it's going to go from there. So I'm just going to add an opacity keyframe. I'm going to click on here. Now we add a keyframe. Then I'm going to go right at the end. I'm going to increase the keyframe. And we can also move the keyframes. So I'll move it around here. And now this is what we have. And that, as you can see, is quite too slow, and it will not do the trick. So we're gonna have to move this a bit further at the end. Now we basically have two. I'm gonna move this one here. We can also just so we have the keyframes here. Basically, we could just go here and add, because this will end as well, and we'll start from here again, basically. So we can just add another keyframe here for opacity and end it right over here. And just make sure the first one, select the keyframe and decrease the keyframe, the opacity there. So now this is what we have. As I said, we can also crop some parts of the video, but we can just make this more simple. You can crop, let me know in the comment section if you want. You can also crop and just show only what you want. You can just loop a specific part of the video. Now from here, we can highlight all the videos and just click on here, or Control Option G to create a compound clip. And now from here, to make this loop continue, we can just copy and paste, or as I said, just drag. Now we have basically, if you want this video to be longer, we can just copy all this video and repaste them.